welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday to each and every last one of you. I hope you guys have been having a blessed Monday. So today I am going to be showing you how I glammed out these candle holders from the Dollar Tree. You will need 3 of these round ones here, as well as a single candlestick holder to make this glitter glam tea light candle holder trio. And you will also need some painter's tape, Mod Podge, and the glitter of your choice, as well as a paintbrush or sponge to apply the Mod Podge. So now I'm taking this painter's tape here and I'm just laying it out. I'm splitting it in half only because it's such a wide piece. Now I'm taking that same painter's tape and I am marking off the areas of this candlelight holder that I don't want to receive glitter. Alright, so I did the same steps for the other candlelight holder, and I am going to do a design on the third candlelight holder, and you will see how I did that in just one second. Now with this particular tea light candle holder, I am just designing it. I don't have a special pattern or anything. I'm just pretty much just taping it up in different directions, and this is what I came up with. Now I'm going to take my Mod Podge, and I'm using the gloss Mod Podge and a sponge brush and some gold glitter, and I'm putting a thin layer of Mod Podge onto the glass where I want the glitter to be. Also, make sure you put down some protective paper to catch any spills of glitter or Mod Podge, because you don't want to damage your surface of your table. So once we have our glass covered in Mod Podge, I'm then going to take my glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it on there until it is covered to my liking. And when I'm done with all 3 pieces, I will seal it with some clear spray. Now, to keep the glitter from falling out, I am going to spray it with a coat of this clear spray by Krylon, and then I'm going to remove the painter's tape. So I've removed most of the painter's tape, and this is what the design looked like. It's pretty simple, and on one I tried to do some type of design, and I just feel like I need to add some bling to it to elevate the look overall. So that is what I plan on doing, and I am going to use hot glue to add this a bit of bling on there. And for the final step, we're going to take our candlestick holder and add some hot glue on it. Add some E6000 with it if you want to make it permanent. And we're going to put it right underneath one of our tea light candle holders. Add some bling around the center, and that is going to be it, you guys. This is what the final look looks like. This trio is very cute and inexpensive and will look wonderful on any table centerpiece or at any event. If you guys have yet to subscribe to the channel, I want to invite you to go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell. And also, I am hosting a collaboration with Sheely's A Little Sparkle. Please check out the video. I will leave a link in the iCard up above and also in the description box below. I invite you all to come and join us in this collaboration. Until next time, you guys, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.